Hello friends, I am Dr. Kailash Nemade and today I am going to share some information about myths associated with पेटेंट फाइलिंग प्रोसेस इन इंडिया। भारत में पेटेंट दाखिल करने की प्रक्रिया के बारे में 5 मिथक। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Myth number 1, I have seen something in America and want to file a patent of same thing in India. Many times these kind of thoughts strike in our mind, but the fact is that this is not possible. This is illegal. The patentable invention must be new, novel at a global level. It should not be in public domain anywhere else in the world. Myth number 2, awareness about the patent process is less in India and it is not enforceable here. Many times we come across this kind of discussions, but fortunately in patent filing at global level, India secured the position in top 10 countries. The actual facts are worldwide India is on 7th position in terms of patent filing per year. In patent filing, India beats to countries like Canada, Australia, Singapore, Italy, Sweden, etc. And on the front of enforcement and security to intellectual property, act of country noticeably protect to intellectual property. All giants company in India are continuously strengthening their patent portfolios. Myth number 3, a patent granted in India is enforceable around the world. No, actually patent is a territorial right. If someone wants to protection to patent in multiple countries, one has to file the patent application in each of these countries. Global patent or worldwide patent is an abstract concept. No such concept exists legally. Myth number 4, patents are only useful in legal situations. Yes, it is true. Patent protection play a key role in legal situation, but in addition to this, there are some other benefits of patent protection to products. The patented product terminology create a superior and unique image about the product and company. Young companies, startups use patent as baggage to highlight their monopoly in a particular domain. Lastly, myth number 5, ideas can be patented. No, mere idea or thoughts cannot be patentable. A system, a process, a machine or an apparatus to implement the idea can be patentable. For example, in the early 90s when there were no aeroplane, it was just an idea that people could fly. Hence, filing patent that time on aeroplane was a non-patentable subject matter. So, all these are some myths associated with patent filing process. I hope you feel this video useful. So please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.